So, dear students, good morning to all of you. Hope you are okay. And yesterday you got a PDF about the sentence. Means the program you have to input a sentence, and after that there are different things we have to find out from the sentence, and it will be display on the screen. Okay. So this is your question. Here is number of capital letters, number of small letters, number of spaces, and number of other characters. I think all of you know whenever you input any sentence, so that is the mix of the letters, means characters you are having on the keyboard. So a sentence is containing capital letter, small letter, spaces, digits, different types of things we can write in the sentence. So this is your question, and such type of the question is known as the string handling or string manipulation. Here just we are going to manipulate the string. Okay. So whenever you are writing a program using scanner class, so you must write import java.util.asterisk. This is your header line, that is known as the package. This is sentence. The name of the class is sentence because we are going to input here a sentence. After that there are going to find out different things in the sentence. So dears, this is your method, and these are the variables I have created here for the further use in the program. So int I for looping, len equal to 0, we have to count the total number of the characters in the sentence. Caps equal to 0 means the number of capital letters will be stored in caps, number of small letters will be in small, and spaces and others means like asterisk symbol or any question mark or anything. Okay. So that will be there. Now you can see here char c is a variable of char type. This is initialized here, c equal to space. Okay, it is initialized. String s, this is another variable in which we have to input the sentence. So string yes, scanner sc equal to new scanner system dot in. Here sc is the object of the scanner class, which will help us to input the data using scanner class. Okay. And next one is system out println enter any sentence. Enter any sentence means at the time of the execution the control will ask you to input any value, any sentence. After that s equal to sc dot next line. You know that the variable type of s is string, so we can input the string in variable s. Next one is len is equal to s dot length. Len equal to s dot length. Okay. This is a function already you have studied in the string function chapter. S dot length is a function which counts total number of the characters in the string. Whenever suppose here enter any sentence, this is a string, so it will count total number of characters 1 2 3 4 5 6 like that. It will count all the numbers of the characters available in variable s. Okay. The next one is loop. For I equal to 0, I less than len I plus plus. Okay. For I equal to 0, I less than len, you can see here, for I equal to 0, I less than len I plus plus. So len is having total number of the character. Len is equal to s dot length. C equal to s dot char at I. This function already you know. Char at I is a function which takes a single character from the string of the given index number in the bracket. So any input you are doing in variable s, so the first character will be taken and it will be stored in variable c. After that c will compare and check whether it is a space, it is a capital letter, small letter, or any other character. This is very simple to compare. C equal to space. If C equal to space means the character which we have stored in variable C, which we have extract in variable C from the string, so that is stored in variable C. Now if C equal to space, so sp plus plus. If the first character which has been taken in variable C, if it is equivalent to the space, so sp will be executed. Else If C greater than equal to A and C less than equal to Z, if this condition is true, means the character is any capital letter from A to Z, and that will be stored in caps plus plus. If the given character is that the character is stored in variable C is a capital letter, and after that, else if C greater than equal to small letter A and C less than equal to small letter Z, this is another criteria. If the character is found between this means A and Z, so small plus plus, that shows the character is stored in variable C is a small letter. So small plus plus, the value of small will be increased by 1. If none of them, means neither it is any alphabet nor space, not even that, so finally other plus plus will be executed here, because if any condition is not true in if else statement, so finally else statement is executed. Okay, so my dears, this else statement is the last option. If any one of the condition is not made true, then it will be executed. And one more thing, I think already you know, if C equal to space, else if C equal to, else if, means if we are using if else if statement, so once any true condition is get here, any condition is satisfied, so it will not check another if else statement. Okay, you know better about this. Now this is your printing. So after completion of that loop, what will happen? You will get total number of the characters, you will get number of capital, small letters, spaces and other characters. So when the loop will be out, loop will be terminated, then what will happen? Your control will come outside of the loop body and it will print total number of characters equal to plus len, number of capital letters equal to caps, number of small letters. Whatever I have written the double quotes, that already you know, that will be printed as it is on the screen, and the word written without double quotation mark, you know already, that is a variable. So whatever is stored inside of the variable, that will be printed on the screen. Like that, number of spaces, so SP is printed, number of other characters, so plus, here is one mistake, caps, actually this is not caps, this is others. This is others. It is by mistake. It is written that this is others, because that I have created in, I have stored in variable others. Once again we have to check. Here you see, you can see here, this is others. Okay. So this others is written here, means the value of others will come and print here. Now this is your input here. After compilation of the program, when you create the object, after that you are running the program, you are going to take the answer of the program. So that is here a terminal window will come. On the terminal window, it is asking to input any sentence. Suppose I have written here, my name is Ariba Shamim .69 question mark. So it is containing some capital letters, some small letters, there are number of spaces also, there are some special means other digits, for example here .69 question mark. So .69 question mark is here, that is question mark 9, 6 and dot, there are 4 letters which are special. Okay, so here you can see the answer. Total number of characters in my name is Ariba Shamim's .69 question marks are 28. It is also including the space. It is also including space. Total number of characters means character is also one. This space is also one character. And number of capital letters are 4. Number of small letters are 15. Number of spaces are 5. Number of other characters are 4. So dear students, this is the way how can we manipulate the string, how can we extract the character from the string, and how can we compare the string with the alphabet, with any other space or any digit. So this is a program for the string handling, in which .char at is very important, one function which is taking one character out from the sentence. So this is I equal to 0 here, I less than len I plus plus means total number of characters are stored in variable s. Total number of characters counted, and that is stored in variable len. After that, the loop will run from 0 to less than len, means one by one all the characters given in the string will be executed, and it will be extracted and compared. Thus you will get the final result. So hope you will study it well, and any doubt you can clarify. Here was one mistake, just you have to see once again. Here this is, I have printed here caps, actually this is not caps, this here we have to print others. You correct in your PDF also yesterday I sent, this is others. But here is one benefit, that caps also are, the value of caps is for, the value of other characters is also for, that's why there is no effect in the output. But here it is mistake, here must be others. You can see here the output, number of capital letters are 4 in this sentence which I have input, and the number of other characters is also 4, but both variables I have printed here, that is caps, but here must be others. This is the answer of others. Okay, so do study well, take care, thank you very much.